The United States Supreme Court will allow, for now, emergency abortions to be performed in Idaho hospitals. The decision was not based on the merits of any particular case. Instead, it left intact a lower court ruling that permitted emergency abortions, which means this one or similar challenges can still make it to the Supreme Court in the future. Fox 4's Sean Rabb is in studio tonight. Sean.
Yeah, and the Biden administration had sued Idaho over its strict state law that conflicts with federal law that says hospitals receiving federal funds must do whatever's necessary, including abortions, to save a person's life. Today, the Attorney General, Merrick Garland, called it a temporary victory. Anti-abortion protesters raise angry voices outside the Supreme Court after the justices blocked an Idaho law that banned abortions even in medical emergencies from going into effect for now.
Today's order means that while we continue to litigate our case, women in Idaho will once again have access to the emergency care guaranteed to them under federal law.
The Idaho case would have answered the question whether a state ban on abortion has greater authority than a federal law that says in medical emergencies, abortions can be performed to save a woman's life.
And you have two very different views by the justices as to why they're dropping the case. One says because they think the federal government's going to win and it's good to send it back. The other says, oh no, there's a lot more to it than that. There's going to be more litigation in the Idaho federal court, and it's going to be back up in the Ninth Circuit and perhaps the Supreme Court within another year.
The American Medical Association says while the High Court's actions has put on hold Idaho's near total abortion ban, quote, today's decision failed to confirm that patients in every state are entitled to prompt, complete, and unbiased health care.
Our law is similar in Texas to the Idaho law, although the Idaho law is stricter.
The Texas law bans abortions after 6 weeks when a heartbeat is detected, but does allow for a doctor to perform the procedure only if that doctor believes a life-threatening condition for the woman exists. In recent court cases, doctors said they have no clarification what that means. The president of the Dallas County Medical Society tells me in an email that this case underscores the need for medical decision-making to remain solely between a physician and their patient.
The problem in all these cases is you have laws and exceptions written by lawyers who aren't doctors. And you have doctors who aren't lawyers trying to figure out what those mean in the lives of real people and real patients.
And you can expect the ruling today to work its way into the debate tonight, the first ever between a sitting and former president. The CNN presidential debate will be simulcast here on Fox 4.